Every day we hustle, we just tryna survive. Everybody gotta struggle, it's on us to go and get it, baby, you just gotta grind. Every day we hustle, we just tryna get by. We got money going out and barely any coming in, you know that you gotta grind. Yeah, listen, yeah. Life ain't fit, nobody said it was, bruh. People in themselves cause of the problems. Low bank account and they house underwater. Spouse just bounced, took they son and they daughter. Happen too often. I understand that shit can lead straight to the coffin, but it get it poppin'. Never broke again cause we focus on the profit. Gotta get up, get out and get something. Get that for me, get on your beast tip. Ain't nobody giving you nothing. Get off that leech tip, all that free shit. Go out and work hard. Can't find a job, hit the block or bring bottles to the depot. If you want it, you can get it, yeah. I'm telling you, success stories got motivated people. We hustle, we just tryna survive. Everybody gotta struggle, it's on us to go and get it, baby, you just gotta grind. Every day we hustle, we just tryna get by. We got money going out and barely any coming in, you know that you gotta grind. I said we on fire, Richard Pryor. Got money in my pocket and I feel alive. When I got nothing, I just wanna die. And I don't wanna feel like that again. They said we gon' shine, blind they eyes. Stay on our grind till we die. I remember those times that I was down, and we ain't ever going back today. I get rich or die trying, doing my best like the combine. Driving the mind, got a combine, Voltron, bomb, heavy alarm ring. The hell with being penniless, I'm up early cause I want everything. First to your last, didn't Bobby teach you anything? Asking what's possible, baby, that be anything. It's on you to go all out for a die rich, leave something for your kids' party. We just tryna survive. Everybody gotta struggle, it's on us to go and get it, baby.